Hey good people, welcome back to Beauty in the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me, giving me a little bit of your time. Today I'm going to be reviewing and creating a look using Black-owned beauty brands. All of these brands were featured in this month's Trendmood box, and all of the net proceeds are donated to the NAACP, which is the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. So I'm really glad that the proceeds are going to this organization. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment and consider subscribing to my community, and let's get started. So for those who are unfamiliar, Trendmood is an Instagram account that was started by a beauty enthusiast. She gets all of the latest updates on new releases in beauty and skincare. She started this Trendmood box, which is similar to some of these other subscription boxes like BoxyCharm, except it's not a subscription box. It's just something that anyone has access to, and they sell out really fast when the boxes are announced. So this is my first time purchasing one. So first, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so first by Zodiac Cosmetics, we have a highlighter, and the shade name is Zeus. So if you can see it, it's kind of a peachy pink color. And they also threw in a 10% off coupon for further purchases. By Colored Rain, we have an eyeshadow palette called Smoke Show. This Smoke Show eyeshadow palette comes with 5 mattes and 1 shimmer shade. We have a lipstick. I think I've been saying it wrong all this time. I think it's Proper Beauty, but I've been saying Proper, but I think it's Proper Beauty. And this lipstick comes in the shade Focus. Now I do have all of these lipsticks, so I'm gonna put this one away. Also by Colored Rain, we have a satin lipstick, and the shade is called Whipped. By OPV Cosmetics, we have a metal and liquid glitter, and the shade is Peyton. Now this is not something I would probably use. I'm not a real big glitter fan. I have another lipstick by Mented Cosmetics, and the shade is Nude Lala Matte. And last but not least, what I was really looking forward to in this box is also by OPV Beauty, and it is the Born to Shine blush palette. And it is huge, first of all, and it comes with these 6 blushes, which I'm really excited about using. So to complete this look and have it be a full face of Black-owned beauty products, I had to use some of my own. So my foundation and my concealer are both by McGrath, Mama Pat. And I'm gonna be adding in a couple other products just to complete the entire look, and I will go over them as the look is completed. All right, so let's get started with the eyeshadow. Using the Smoke Show palette. Let me get my brush. Okay, my brushes are across the room, hold on. Come a little bit closer. I'm gonna start with the shade Naked Eye, and I'm going to put this under the brow bone and just kind of all over to just give us a nice little transition color to blend the other colors up into. Now this isn't really showing up, it's just to kind of give a little base though. I think this is gonna be kind of a little dark look. Okay, taking the shade Flammable, and I'm going to place this like really throughout the crease. This is really blending out nicely, so I don't have any complaints at all. Now I'm gonna take the shade Torch, and I'm gonna really focus this more on the outer corner, but still have it go through the crease just a little bit. I'm gonna use a smaller brush, this one right here. Because I have hooded eyes, I always have to make sure I look straight on because so much of my blending gets lost in the crease. I'm also gonna take some of this torch shade and place it underneath my lower lash line. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get a headband because I still need it. I'm gonna take the shade Showtime. I'm gonna focus this on the main part of the lid. I really like this color a lot. One thing I like to do with new eyeshadow palettes is I try to use as many colors as possible, so I'm gonna use every single color in this palette. Okay, I like it. All right, I'm going to take some of the shade Showtime and just complete the under eye. I'm gonna take the shade Cloudy and place that in the inner corner. What is this, a little deep look, a little smoky look? I'm going to take the shade Smokescreen and I'm gonna use that to line my eyes. All right, what do y'all think? This is like dark and deep. It's not a black owned brand, but I'm gonna take this pencil by NYX and I'm gonna use that. This is a mint green, but like white eyeliner. And I'm going to put that in my under eyes just to open it up just a little bit because this look is so dark. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. So now moving on to bronzer, this is one of my favorites. This is the Fenty Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer in the shade Honey Glaze. All right, now to use this blush palette. So there are, let's see, 6 colors here, and some of them have a bit of a shimmer to them. Actually, yeah, 3 of them are matte and 3 of them are shimmers. So let's just swatch these really fast. I'm gonna do this real fast. So we're just gonna go this way and this way. We've got Uplifting, Light, Smile, Unstoppable, Positive, Keep Calm. Ooh, okay. That is really pretty. I'm gonna start with this shade Positive. Gotta be careful with blush because it's real easy to overdo it. This is a little more pink than I thought. It's pretty though. Oh Lord, hold on. Okay, we're gonna have to buff some of this away because that was just a lot. And then I want to take some of that Keep Calm shade, the orangey one. I don't think I'm gonna do a highlight because I do have some shimmer with this blush, so I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'm just gonna take some of that Keep Calm and put that up here, and maybe a little bit here. Okay, I don't know, I'm not trying to look like Rudolph. Hold on. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, I feel a little red, but oh, okay, wait a minute. I don't know. Okay, let's see. All right, but y'all get the point. Okay, I'm gonna look at these lipsticks and see which one I think will go best. All right, so again, we have the 3 lipsticks we have Colored Rain, we have Proper Beauty, and Minted. So let's see what these look like and figure out which one would be best. This is the Colored Rain lipstick. This is called Whipped. By Minted, we have the Nude La La Matte. It's pretty similar shades. A slight difference. And then we have our Focused by Proper Beauty. So I'm either thinking about this or this one. Line my lips really quick. All right, so let's try the Minted lipstick first. Oh yeah, I think I do want to just go with this one actually. The other one is a little dark and I already have dark eyes. I don't like to have both. I don't really like both, like dark lips and dark eyes. I like to have one or the other. That's just me though. I mean, sometimes, but. Okay. I think that's everything with the look before I take my headband off. Yeah. Okay. Oop. All right, let me just style myself up a little bit to make sure I like it. I always have to style myself at the end because I feel like I look crazy until I do that. Like, I don't know, I feel like eyeshadow looks crazy until you like style the look and put everything together. But that's just me, but I really feel like that. Let's come closer in on this look and see what we think. I do like this eyeshadow look. I wasn't feeling it at first, to be honest. I was like, but I had to commit. So I do like it. I love the deep green. That foresty green color is really, really nice. And I really do love how the colors blended out. I love this lipstick. It smells good. The blush looks good. I like the dewy, glowy look that I have. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you all think. If you got the Trendmood box, let me know how you feel about it. I did see that the next Trendmood box is gonna be all Tatcha products. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that one because I do have a bunch of Tatcha products. I'm not sure yet, but if you are in need of skincare, that would be the box for you to get because it's gonna be way cheaper than purchasing from Tatcha on your own. So just look out for that. Trendmood does have a separate Instagram account just for the Trendmood box. And just put your alarm on because I'm telling you, it will sell out within 5 minutes. It will. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and giving me a little bit of your time and escaping our crazy world. And also, if you want to enter the giveaway for the Tiny Marvels palette, that giveaway is going to close on Saturday, August 15th at 7:00 p.m. Please go back to my review on Shanta Kai to find out exactly what you have to do for the giveaway and to leave the specific comment on that video. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much again. I really do appreciate all of you. Continue to go easy on yourself and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.